Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Barik Rashid, your instructor, and welcome to 7-Minute Classroom. So today in this class, this is our first physics class in this YouTube channel, and which is on wave. Okay. So in this class we are going to learn about what is wave and kinds of wave, like how many types or how many kinds of wave are there. Okay. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to learn that what is wave actually. So wave is a process of transferring energy where the particles of the medium vibrate about their own position but they are not displaced permanently. It's called wave. Okay, so here I have just written the definition. You can just understand from there. I'm just explaining the definition again. Like wave, it's a process for transferring energy, and where the particles of the medium, in wave there is must be needed a medium, and in medium there are some particles, and these particles will be vibrate about their own position. That means they will vibrate about their own position but they are not displaced permanently. If you just think of a wave the wave in a sea beach, so how the wave is actually going on, or like the wave in the river or in the pond, how the wave is actually move. Does it actually move? No, it doesn't move. It's just transfer their energy, but they are not just moving from one place to another. Okay, they vibrate like when you are just putting a coin into the pond or into the river, you can just see something like it floats. That means it vibrates about their own position but they are not displaced. Then the water goes away, but this is not, they are not displaced their position, they are actually transferring their energy. So that is wave in the language of physics. I hope you understand what is wave. Okay, now we are going to learn about the types of wave. So mainly wave are of two kinds, that is mechanical wave and another is electromagnetic wave. So what is mechanical wave and what is electromagnetic wave? So mechanical wave, the wave in which for transferring energy a medium is necessary, is called mechanical wave. That means for transferring energy, we know wave is a process of transferring energy, and for transferring energy if a medium is necessary then it is called mechanical wave. That means in mechanical wave there is medium is necessary. Medium is necessary. But for electromagnetic wave, so what is the definition for electromagnetic wave? The wave in which for transferring energy medium is not necessary, that is electromagnetic wave. That means in electromagnetic wave there is no medium is necessary. Medium is not necessary. So I hope you understand. For transferring energy in a wave, for transferring energy, if a medium is necessary then that is mechanical wave, and if there is no medium is necessary, that is electromagnetic wave. So if I am just giving some example, then it will be more clear. Mechanical wave, a medium is necessary. Sound wave, in sound wave there is a medium must be needed. Now I am talking with all of you, and it records in the microphone of my mobile, or if it doesn't record in the microphone, or if there is no medium here in that place, then you can't able to hear my voice, because through this medium. So what is the medium here? That is air. Yes, through the air medium my voice goes to you. If there is no medium, then my voice will not be clear to you, or you can't hear anything. If you try, when you are just going to in swimming, if you talk there something, then the people who are just outside that place, they are not in the water, they can't hear you, because in water the sound is very low. Yes, some like something can be here, but like you cannot hear the whole thing, because like for sound medium there is like air is needed. That means air here, like here air is a medium. Okay, so that means like in sound medium, that means in sound. Okay, not only sound, that is sound wave. So in sound wave a medium is necessary, and that medium is air. Okay, so now another, if I give another example, that is water wave. In water wave there is also a medium is necessary. Okay, so if I just giving some example about electromagnetic wave, like light wave, like now in this room, like over my head, above my head, light is like blinking, or a light is just turned on. So that's why this light is passing through here, but here no medium is necessary. For passing light no medium is necessary. So light wave is an example of electromagnetic wave. Okay, like then it can be radio wave. Like in radio there is no kind of medium is needed. Like if you just thought, if like in radio wave a medium is necessary, so like what can be the medium? It can be a long wire. So like we can just hear something from a long distance place, like to hear how we just hear that thing. Like suppose like now this marker is a radio, and we can just hear some newses through this radio, but it is wireless, there is no wire. So how we can hear? Like if a medium is needed, so we can't able to hear. So that's why for radio wave no medium is necessary. I hope you have got a clear idea about what is mechanical wave and what is electromagnetic wave. Okay, now let's talk about mechanical wave, because mechanical wave is also two types, that is longitudinal wave and another is transverse wave. So what is longitudinal wave and what is transverse wave? So first talk about what is longitudinal wave. Okay, so the mechanical wave, like as it's a part of mechanical wave. So the mechanical wave in which the particles of the medium vibrate, parallel to the direction of the propagation is called longitudinal wave. Okay, so what is parallel? Like it's a sign of parallel. That means this line is parallel to this line. Okay, so that is parallel to the direction of the propagation. That is longitudinal wave. Okay, so here you can just thought like how. So what is the example of it? So its example is like longitudinal wave. For longitudinal wave, that is sound wave. So how a sound wave passes? If I am just giving some examples, like these are some like boxes, and like there is air, there is like short, medium, and there is like more particles of air, there is air. So through this way the whole like the sound is passes, and that's why like sound wave is an example of longitudinal wave, and it passes through the parallel to the direction of the propagation, and light it is in longitudinal way. So that is why it's longitudinal wave. And if I just give an example about transverse wave. Okay, so let's see. Like you have seen like wave. So how a wave looks like. Okay, so here you can just thought like this is a kind of wave. Okay, so you can just here see that like this is a line, and how it goes through. It goes through like perpendicularly. That means the mechanical wave in which the particles of the medium vibrate perpendicular to the direction of propagation is called transverse wave. That means it vibrates through perpendicularly. It vibrate perpendicularly. So that is transverse wave. And what's the example actually? That is water wave. Like this kind of wave we can see in water. So that's why like transverse wave, the example of a transverse wave is water wave. That means in water wave, like the mediums of the particles vibrate perpendicularly to the direction of propagation. That's why like water wave is an example of transverse wave. So I hope you got and clear about that what is wave, then types of wave, like what is mechanical wave, what is electromagnetic wave. Then again in the mechanical wave there are two types of wave, that is longitudinal wave and transverse wave. So I hope that you all understand that what I have discussed today. So if you have any kind of question and any kind of query, then you can just comment in the below. I will just try to reply. So thank you for watching this video.